Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. How are you doing, Annewiek?
Good. The weather is great.
Yeah, and today it's important that the weather is great because we are going on location. And where do we go? We're actually going to the buurtspoormuseum. That's a railroad museum. Our model for today is Nadine. It's gonna be an awesome day. So join us for today's episode of Behind the Closed Doors.
Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello. Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello. Hello. Even if we're hanging by a thread, what you said is spinning in my head, I just wanna pull you closer in this bed. Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down.
And there we go, arrived at the location, Buurtspoormuseum.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. Close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they will disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. I wanna get to your goals, gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
That was the workshop at het buurtspoormuseum. I hope you liked it. And so that we used several different kinds of modifiers, ranging from strobes, gel strobes, even to a California sunbounce, because hey, it's nice weather. Okay, we're gonna go home, we're gonna edit the vlog for you guys, and of course edit the photo. So we're gonna upload this one probably tomorrow, because I'm pretty tired. If you like what we do, please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button, because we really liked it, but you already know that, right? See you again next week. Bye guys.
You know I met you in the dark, it was a Saturday night. Remember seeing you just dancing in the middle of the crowd. There was something about you, cause you got stuck in my mind. Stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd give it a go and I started talking to you. I don't know what I said, but the next thing I knew is that I held you in my arms and you asked what we should do. What should we do? What should we do? I said you can do what you want to with me, yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya and falling for ya. I wanna hold ya and falling for ya. Falling for ya. Those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans. In every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna hold ya, hold ya. We went out of the club and we started walking the streets, and then we stopped for a while and you said you wanna kiss me. Remember thinking, is this really happening? Happening, happening. I never thought I'd meet someone so beautiful. I couldn't quite believe it was magical. Just kissing on the street lights on our way back home. Our way back home, our way back home.